Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the guitar into a trustworthy state. Pick a quiet place and have a tuner ready. Visually inspect the headstock, nut, and strings, tighten any loose tuning pegs, and clear debris from nut slots. Next, bring the strings close to pitch with the tuner so you can make meaningful checks. Once done, make sure the instrument is stable on your lap or stand, because accurate measurements and adjustments require the guitar to sit still and accessible. You now perform the detailed checks. Evaluate neck relief by fretting low and high, then view the gap around the middle frets. A small gap indicates proper relief. Next, measure string action at the 12th fret. If action is too high or low, it affects playability and buzzing. Then check intonation by comparing open string pitch to the 12th fret harmonic and fretted note. If the fretted note is sharp or flat versus the harmonic, move the saddle slightly and retune, then recheck until matched. Finish by tuning accurately and playing through common chord shapes and single note runs to confirm even tone across the fretboard. If you hear buzzes or dead spots, isolate which string and fret cause it. Often the nut slot, low frets, or loose hardware are to blame, so check those specifically. If intonation, action, or buzzing persist after simple fixes, note exact symptoms, string gauge, and neck angle, then seek a technician. This saves time and prevents unnecessary or incorrect adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.